In today's tutorial, we will show you how to post a design directly from Canva to Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. With Canva's built-in sharing tools, we can quickly publish our content and reach our audience with just a few clicks. Let's get started. On the Canva editing dashboard, go to the Share button. You can find it in the upper right corner of the page. Click Share. Next, click See All. In this section, click Social to see all the social media options available. As you can see, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Facebook Story are all available. To post directly to your social media, you first need to connect your account. Click the social media platform you want to connect. For example, to connect Facebook, click and log into your account. Enter your Facebook login details. Enter your password and save it if needed. Once you're logged in, continue to connect Canva to Facebook. Here, we choose either a page or an account. Let's select our page. We can now share and publish directly to our Facebook page or account. The same steps apply for Instagram and TikTok. Just connect each account and follow the prompts. Facebook will ask us to confirm the connection. Then, confirm and connect. Our design is now live on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. With this simple process, we can save time and stay consistent across all our social media platforms.